Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to explain the uh, missing value treatment in a data scientist. Uh, so, uh, so I will write the Python code in this Jupyter notebook, and we have a data set. I'm taking the data set name is employee data. So in this data, we can see employee ID, first name, last name, department, age, and experience and salary. So in this data set, it contains missing values, means it contains empty cells. So for this scenario only, we are writing the missing value treatment. Okay, so by using the missing value treatment, we can fill we can fill the empty cells with the values. So it is depends on the code which which we need to write. So accordingly, it will take the values. So um, I will start writing the Python code here. So first of all, I am importing the Python libraries. So these are the Python libraries I am writing. So this is the pandas, and this is an MP. This is for data virtualization. Cburn as business, and OS is internal path related information you can see using this OS library. So just run this command. I will run these libraries. So you can see it is processing here. There is an icon. It is processing instead of the name of the title. Then I will store. I have stored in D drive. Employee data set I stored in D drive. So okay. So then we need to write df. We need to declare the variable df need Excel. And check this employee data extension. It is XLS format, and we need to write XLS employee name of the data set file, and run this command. So check the name Excel. Check. Okay. See, so I have written some material. We need to call this PD pandas. PD is pandas. So that's why I'm calling this variable PD dot read Excel, and reading this data set. So I'm declaring this data set to the variable df. So that's why when I print this df, it was giving all the information related to the data set. Okay, so now we will check the in this data set. We will check how many empty sets, empty values is there, null values is present in the data set. We can check. So by using this null, so I'm writing. See, so this is the function which return the which column is containing the null values. It displays the employee ID. It doesn't contain any null values. Post name, it doesn't contain any null values. Last name also, and also department, it contains the null values. and age is containing the 6 null values and experience is containing 6 null values. Salary, I think we don't have any null values, so that's why it is this function is used to retrieve the it means empty values, empty value, how many cells are empty. So these values we can generate using this command, and we need to write. So x equal to f dot ilog and 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6 that values. So this is a function I'm writing. So I need only the three columns here because we have a null values on department, age, and experience. These three columns I'm taking using this command. Ilog is a function which can specify the index of that data set. So that's why this colon is nothing but total rows, and 3 to 6 means it is the column names. We are starting from column name 0, 1, 2, 3 department and up to experience. It should be a 3, 6 is the column name. It means it will retrieve only department, age, and experience. Let me you can see here department, age, and experience. The three columns is containing the null value, so that's why I'm writing this scilab function to specify the index, which columns we need to retrieve. So that column names and mention the index name and retrieve the values. Okay, if this is so here I am assigning to the array. So just we can run this command. See this all the values are declared in array index, array representation. So now we can import. So first of all, I am representing the uh, this thing in data virtualization. So that's why we declared cborn as a SNS. So first of all, I am taking SNS dot box plot x equal to experience data equal to df data equal to df data set I'm assigning, and sns dot box plot by equal to. So here I'm taking x is the age. I'm taking experience and data equal to df. So I'm running this command. So, I returned wrong here. So now see. So this is the data virtualization. We import the library, import the C1 as SNS. So that's why we are representing age and experience in age is x-axis and experience is y-axis, and defining this data to the df dataset variable. here the box part used for the we need to find the outliers. Outliers, I'm going forward, I will tell you that what is outliers. You just in this class you just briefly I am explaining. Outliers is means it doesn't contain outliers here in this age and experience. So going forward, next class I am going to explain what is outlier, and just you just remember these commands only. Remember this code only. Next class I will tell you about the outliers. Okay. Now I am importing simple importer. From that we need to we need to import the library from scale root port computer 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 missing underscore values equal to np dot bdname and strategy equal to me. So this is a library. So it will identify the you can call it a simple importer. In this simple importer, we are identifying the missing values. Missing values we have p dot n. So we are identifying the values in the array, the data set, and strategy. I will explain. Strategy is nothing but it is a for whatever the missing values cells values doesn't contain the cells which doesn't contain values, so we will apply the strategy. It accordingly it will what strategy we are applying here means it is a mean, means it will calculate all the members and display the value into the empty cells. So that's why I am applying the strategy equal to mean. Okay, then here imputer equal to imputer Google it, it, here 1 2 3 here computer.50 1 2 3 means 1 2 we are fitting this data set like 1 2 3 1 1 is what is in the 1, it is 0 1 2 means 0 is a department variable department column. It will not it will not that is a categorical function, categorical column. So that's why we will pass the main variables to only two columns. One is the numeric columns like it is the what is age and experience. These are the two columns, age and experience. We are passing the mean. It will apply the mean strategy, and whatever the empty cells over there in the data set, it will fill the all the values in empty cells. So that's why I'm only identifying the 1 2 1 and 3 columns. One is nothing but age and experience. Okay, and then we need to transform this one. Okay, so maybe uh, scaled and dot impute. So we will check this error why it is giving error. So I'm copying this one and it is okay, simple folder. Okay, I think so. We return this villain. It is and we return something syntax as error. So that's why I'm checked that error and I found this is the correct one. Okay. So when I checking X, see here. So we only we pass the values only for the department experience. All the empty values means empty cells which contains the values. See, in the legal department in the data set you can see legal department is the department. Legal department contains values. See after legal department we can see experience column 31 is the it fill the values 31 and 15.78 it has been filled like this it has been filled the values. Okay, now we can do for categorical column. So categorical column is nothing but this is the category, this is the department is a categorical column, so we will apply this categorical column. So using the same like see simple importer input increasing and feed strategy equal to most frequent, but we are strategy we are changing because it is most frequent and so I will keep it as computer one, computer one, computer one. Okay, so I am writing like uh, categorical column. I need to pass the I need to fill the empty cells using this. The most frequent is the strategy I am using. So when I am selecting this cell, each column I need to missing value treatment is department column. So department column I am selecting using this index 0 colon 1 and then we can run this command. Computer one and Okay, I missed this one. Next, I have missed. So I run. See, when I execute, see on the here you can see it here it is showing null value. Legal department down you can see legal department. You can see the department column is null values. Now it updated with the advertising. This is the most frequent department, so that's why it apply the most frequent strategy and fill all the empty cells with the advertising. Okay, yeah. So this is the way of find the way of the fill the missing values into empty cells. We are just rewriting the missing value treatment, and by writing this Python code, we will fill the empty cells with the values. So using that employee data set, so like this we need to write the code for a missing value treatment. So thank you for listening the class, and please subscribe to my channel, MS tutorial, and please share the comment on this. Thank you all.